Make one of the family favorites, grape leaves. And Radayo's helping. Go ahead. Sprinkle it in there. A little more. Say about 2 teaspoons of salt.
Teaspoons of salt?
Uh-huh. Well, let's do about a teaspoon of pepper. Or maybe a teaspoon and a half of pepper.
Teaspoon and a half?
Or maybe 2 teaspoons of pepper.
Don't talk to me. I was going this.
Oh, excuse us. Oh.
Oops. You burnt me?
Okay. Let's add a little. Wait a minute. There's a whole bunch of pepper right there.
Don't tell you, Prince. Oh, I want to do it. I want to do it. I want to do it.
I know. Hold on a moment. Okay. Sprinkle some in there. Easy. Okay.
Yeah.
About 2 teaspoons of garlic powder.
Okay. And now we get our cookies.
This is called allspice. You have to wait. I have to open it.
Okay.
Okay.
It's a hard time. It's a hard time. It's hot.
I don't think it's a hard time. You want to smell it? Smell it. What do you think?
Yeah.
It's a good Mediterranean flavor. Okay, go ahead. Oh, okay. 3 teaspoons of allspice.
Yeah.
Let me move these away so you don't put any more in there.
I don't put any more there. And then we need
And we're just going to add some rice.
I want some rice.
Just sprinkle it on there. You want to use converted rice or pre-cooked rice.
Yes. Yeah, rice.
Oh, you do things fast, Radayo.
Yeah, it is fast. But what with the rice?
Otherwise, if you try and use instant rice or my rice or something like that, the rice will not cook.
No.
This is going to cook in water and lemon juice after we stuff the leaves and roll them up. So we'll roll them up as soon as we cut off all the stems and start again.
Start again.
Say bye-bye for now.
Bye-bye. This one's got. This comes.
What are you making? Are you making grape leaves?
Yeah.
What else?
I need some.
Hummus. Do you like hummus?
Yeah, I need. And that.
Okay, back to making the grape leaves.
Okay.
You want to, the grape leaves come in a jar, which are in like a salted brine. So when you take, hold on, when you take them out, you want to soak them for about a half hour. Just soak them and get all the salty brine off of them. I like these Orlando brand rather than just the small vine leaves because I am stuffing them with meat and rice.
She went to the jar.
After you soak the grape leaves, I took about 3 pounds to a large jar. You use about 3 pounds of lean ground beef, some converted rice, garlic powder, salt, pepper and allspice, and a little bit of the Mediterranean 7 spice, which I make my own, and I'll put that on here. So after you soak them, they have these little stems on the bottom that you want to cut off.
Yeah.
You're going to lay them with the vein side up and the shiny side down. Let's see if we can get it over here. Don't turn that, please. Okay. So you just put a little bit of the ground beef on there.
Okay.
You want to fold up the 2 bottoms. Then the 2 sides and just roll them.
This stuff.
Then you just layer them in the pan. I'm going to show you after I layer them all in the pan.
I like them.
How to do it so that they don't fall apart. This meat mixture can be used for this. Or also if you're doing the Mediterranean stuffed cabbage, you would roll them like this as well. but that's cooked in like a tomato sauce. This is cooked in lemon water. So again, make sure your shiny side is down. Sometimes they don't like to come apart.
I put a new beef.
And the vein side is up. Some people boil them before stuffing. There's really no need because they're going to cook in the water. And if you boil them ahead of time, then you actually kind of lose some of the flavor from the leaves that go into the meat. So I don't suggest you boil them ahead of time. Just soak them in some water to rinse off all the brine. So we're going to go ahead and keep stuffing them and rolling them. And then we'll go on to the next step. Say bye, Radayo. Okay, Radayo wants to go ahead and roll one herself. Stand up.
I'm sitting down.
Okay.
And what?
Here, go ahead.
I want to do it all by myself.
All by yourself. You gotta fold. Wait. You gotta fold this side over. Now finish doing it. Roll it up.
Now put in the pan.
And put it in the pan. What an awesome job! You want to try another one? Now you can eat these with hummus. Personally, I like eating them with plain yogurt.
Yeah, it's
much
good.
Better. Okay, you ready?
Yeah.
Let's do another one. That's a big grape leaf. Are you gonna eat this grape leaf?
No, I'm gonna put in the visual.
Okay, remember, gotta start the bottom.
We gotta start that bottom.
Then the sides.
And this side.
Now, no, roll it from this end. 2 hands. Roll it tight.
And put in the pan.
And put it in the pan. You know something? I think you're going to be an awesome cook.
I want to do it again. I want to do it again.
Okay, hold on. All right, here you go.
Now,
Do the bottom.
do the bottom. Do the bottom.
Wait. This one is 2 of them. Sorry about that.
I'm sorry about that. It's not was my fault.
No, it wasn't your fault. It was the leaf's fault. No. Don't eat the raw meat. It's not going to kill her. It's like eating steak tartare, Mommy.
They took
Okay.
Tom.
Put the bottom up. Wait.
Oh.
Now what?
Wait.
Now the sides.
Now side.
Pull this side up. Like that. This way.
This way.
That way.
Well,
Now do it 2 hands.
Around the one.
Right. Here.
Hubbard.
Okay, pay attention. Do it with 2 hands. Roll it up tight. Good job. Now where does it go?
And the pot.
Right. So put it in the pot. Put it in the pot.
Now we gotta get another one.
Now you gotta do another one. Okay, bottom up.
Bottom.
Sides in.
Size in.
No, start from the bottom. Roll it tight. Gotta roll it tight. That's awesome. Now where are you gonna put them?
I'm gonna play a game for me. Shut the button.
Okay, can we put it in the pan, please? It's not a toy.
It's not toy.
No. So we're gonna finish rolling up all these leaves,
I want to do
and we'll show you
another
the end step, and we'll go to the rice pilaf.
one. Nice.
Here, put it on this one.
Okay. Wait.
This is the first layer of the grape leaves. You want to layer them this way to keep them tight, and that will prevent them from unrolling while they cook. This is also how I roll my Mediterranean cabbage because it's also in small
Now
leaves.
we're putting the grape leaves on. We'll put it on high till the water starts boiling. You want to do it, I guess, at about an inch and a half below the grape leaves because basically they're going to steam. So once you bring it to a boil, lower the heat, and I'd say probably about 45 minutes. You'll know when they're done when the skin is pretty tender and the meat and the rice are totally cooked. Whoops. Oh, shoot. Go ahead and just, I'd say maybe 1/4 cup lemon juice. And then just cover them. Once they boil, simmer them till they're done.